I was kind of curious about Death Valley. So at Furnace Creek, they've picked up 91 hundredths of an inch. And for Death Valley, that's saying something, and they're not done yet.
They're going to get more,
Yeah.
although they've lucked out if that's all Death Valley has seen so far. I think the numbers we were talking about, we were quoting Mount San Jacinto having gotten 7 inches.
Yes.
That's the mountain that sits right outside Palm Springs. Right. We're going to see some impressive images from the deserts of Imperial County and inland San Bernardino County. Let me show you where this thing is right now. Just one way of viewing it. It hasn't happened since 1939, and we didn't have ways of visually representing it then. That's the first time any of us has seen a tropical storm icon in the here and now located over a part of California. That's the latest locator for it from the National Hurricane Center. It's going to stay a tropical storm, technically, from now probably through about 10 o'clock at night. Most of that has to do with the intensity of the winds. As long as the sustained winds in the center of this are at 39 miles an hour or more, sustained, is going to stay a tropical storm. Here's another way to look at it, and we're going to visualize it in the winds, because the wind field shows us a slightly different story. You can see the circulation showing up out here now over Catalina Island, and you can see the strongest winds getting pulled up over here on the northeast side of it. Those purples, that's where we're getting gusts that are in the 50-mile-an-hour range, maybe a little higher. Let's track it forward just from watching it on the winds, because it's a good way to see how the storm is going to move. And when we take a look at 8:30 tonight, that center of the circulation from the wind field is coming right over the LA basin, but that's not a problem. It's the stronger winds out here that'll be felt through the deserts, and then we can watch it fade into the overnight hours. Having done that, it's a good way to visualize it, but the winds are not the primary impact from this. It's the rain, the intensity of the rainfall in this 12-hour window, with 2 to 3 inches in general falling across most of the greater population centers. It's going to be a lot of flooded roadways, low-lying intersections, all that stuff. I showed you the flood watch that's in place for all of LA County, and certainly the deserts a moment ago. There's the last image, just so we can kind of fill it in. One other better way to watch it now is to put it into the high-resolution forecast to show what happens from here. This is kind of the main event right now for the rainfall. It started about 5-6 hours ago, but this is probably one of the more impressive time frames, at least for LA County and the greater population centers, to really be experiencing some of the steadiest, heaviest rainfall. So we'll probably see more images of flooding roadways, and the LA River is going to look quite impressive going through its concrete channel. All that stuff is still to come. The deserts are still going to experience their share, though, over the next 6 hours or so. And you can see that gets us ahead to Monday morning before it finally starts to wane and come to an end. There's the accumulated rainfall total. This is just from here on. Those numbers don't take into account the last 6 hours. That 7 inches Brian was talking about on San Jacinto is not included in this. This is what's still to come. That's why we've got the flood warnings. Here's how this has kind of come together in our little piece of it. We look at the satellite in a weird way. I just wanted you to see this. There is a little counterclockwise circulation in the atmosphere right off our coast. That is what is steering this. That, as odd as it sounds, that little thing right there is the reason why Hilary, which shows up here, got directed right over California. It did get a little bit of help. If you look at the wind pattern here, there is a huge dominant ridge of high pressure over the central part of the country right now. It's going to be an intense, prolonged heat wave over there. That'd be a story on its own. But what matters for us is those two have created a lane, and they're pulling Hilary right into California. That's why this happens so rarely. You've got to have everything come together just right to steer a tropical storm that still has enough energy to hold together and bring it right over California. Here's how we get in on the act. We know Hilary's going straight north. There goes the big swath of rain. That's later tonight. Watch what happens tomorrow. That little low off the coast still has one final little piece in this puzzle. Tomorrow, it's going to pull leftovers from Hilary back towards us. We're not going to see anything like Southern California's rain, obviously, but we are going to get some rain out of this. Isolated scattered showers with the potential for an occasional thunderstorm, much like we saw early this morning, still to go tomorrow. So tomorrow is a cool day, thanks to all of that. The coverage on the showers and the isolated thunderstorms is going to be low. It's not going to be terribly widespread. Most of us may not notice anything, but they'll be spotty and sporadic, kind of like what happened this morning. And that'll be our focus throughout tomorrow. There's also going to be a little more smoke coming our way from the other thing happening to our northwest, the complex of fires to Oregon and British Columbia. Bottom line is, we'll probably pull in a little more smoke as that low moves on shore, probably pulls some smoke in with it. So air quality goes downhill a little Monday and Tuesday. There's your 7-day forecast. Monday is really the excitement. We do warm up a little bit by Wednesday once that system leaves. So there are hotter temperatures coming in the middle of the week, but all eyes will be on tomorrow and this isolated chance for thunderstorms.